That's 3 LDK, and the price is 5,680 yen. And this is the second one. It's bedroom. And we also have a balcony here. Small balcony. You can walk to this. That is Shinjuku. Yeah, there are women clinic over there. And about this is the closet. Very nice. And this is the third one. We have here closet here. I think it's not working. Now it's fine. This is the entrance. Here's the entrance, and we have a suitcase here. I like this apartment. The ceiling is quite high, and all renovated. Yes, this is space for washing machine. It has a kitchen case, and also can open this to the balcony. Yeah. We also have dishwasher here, and this is a bathroom washing. Closet here, very huge. It's very nice for a family about 3 or 4 persons. All is renewed. All is new one. So far it's very nice. Okay. Very nice apartment with a very nice nice view and a good price. The balcony is the size very big. It's about 11 square meter, and the floor size 60 square meter. Very huge. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.